Hello and welcome again. Today we have this Volkswagen Tiguan and we've just completed installation of the Westfalia Detachable Towbar. As you can see the tow hitch sticking out already, which is just installed. So what I'm going to show you is the way that it looks, the way it operates and all that. So let's get to it. Right, so with this towing hitch, the brilliance of it is you can remove it, so it's stored in away and the whole thing is hidden, so you don't actually see that you've got any tow bar. So let's just get to it now. So the first thing we need to do is remove the cover for the lock. So just pulling this little plastic cover, this reveals the lock here. We've got the key, so we need to put the key in there inside, and we need to twist it all the way towards the car, and that opens the lock. The second thing is we need to pull the whole lever and twist it so it releases the whole mechanism, so the whole towing hitch, and that's it really. So that is now out, and your tow bar is taken away, your towing hitch taken away, so you can see now that, you cannot actually see that you've got anything at all. So this is the brilliance of this kit. Now there's further bit that needs to be done. This, as you can see, this locking mechanism got grease, and this is where this hole has the grease, and if you take the car on the road, you'll have all the dirt coming in there. So to prevent it, you use this little plastic cover for it. You just have to push it in. It goes all the way in nicely and covers the, as you can see, it covers the hole, so there's no dirt coming in at all. With this taken away, you can put it in your bag, store it in the boot when you don't need it, and when you do want to tow something, we need to reverse the whole procedure. So what has to happen is we remove the cover, so that comes out, and then we need to put this towing hitch back. But it's really easy, you just need to push it in. So you just literally just put it in that little hole, push it all the way in, it locks itself automatically, and what you need to do is just untwist the key. So reversing this comes out, put the cover, which is there, and then this is ready to go. Remove this, put the towing trailer on or something, and ready to go, and connect the electrics. I'm going to show you as well now how this Westfalia kit integrates with the car electric. Right, so I've got the electrics attached now to the Westfalia system. So let's just select the reverse gear. And as you can see, the sensors have changed. So if I make them big, they're showing that in the trailer mode. So the rear is completely disabled, so it doesn't annoy you, doesn't beep unnecessarily. You only got the front working. Obviously, because this car came with the camera as well, you get both. So you get the trailer showing on the sensors, as well as the camera still continuing to work, giving you all the views and options available. So the electrics are fully integrated and everything installed with 3 years warranty. So if you want more information on check your car compatibility, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.